First at 5 o'clock, Governor Lamont is urging Connecticut to brace for the worst. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Dennis House. This is going to be an awful April. Tonight, we've learned there have been another 557 people infected, bringing the total in Connecticut to 3,128. 69 people have died. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Matthew Campbell is live now at the state capitol, where Governor Lamont just finished updating the state on this outbreak. Matthew?
Yeah, Dennis, these are some staggering numbers, some very sobering numbers. Governor Lamont says that we are the fourth most infected state per capita in the country. So thousands have been infected and thousands more have been affected by the coronavirus. But tonight, there is some relief for homeowners. If you have been affected by the coronavirus, you likely will have a 90-day grace period on your mortgage. We learned today that more than half of the state's banks and credit unions are on board with this idea. This was pulled together in a little more than 24 hours, so more banks are expected to follow in the coming days. Again, this will be a 90-day grace period for mortgage payments. Your credit score will not be impacted by this either. Take a listen to George Perez. He's the commissioner of the Department of Banking, explain how this works and what the verification process will look like for homeowners.
Most likely, the way it will be done is you go to their website. There will be several questions asked. You submit the form, and then someone will contact you. Give us a day or two to be able to trickle down the instructions and the directions that those call centers are going to need to be able to service you quickly and with as minimum frustration as possible.
So again, this is still being rolled out right now. 62 banks and credit unions are on board. More will be expected to follow. Now, we did ask about renters. Right now, this offer is not being extended to renters, but Governor Lamont says right now evictions are on hold, and that is because the courts are closed. That is the latest. Live here at the Capitol. Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 News.
Okay, Matthew, thank you.